and killed by a chimpanzee.
Omutono yakyasembyeyo okuttibwa amazike agagambibwa okulumba ekyalo Nyantonzi mu disitulikiti ya Masindi.
Nataka yenda kusaidia na yeye kurogota kuni kidogo kwa karibu na kibirani. Sasa pale wa mara moja wa mtu wale arrest wa bibi hiyo. Sasa wanasikia mtoto anaanza kulia, wanaanza kumenya, mtoto anaanza kulia, alafu mtu yeye wanaanza kuharakisha kukuja wakaza wa bibi hizo. Sauri alikuwa mtoto wa sasa alikuwa analia.
Mu myezi mukaaga gyokka amazike gakabalumba abatuuze emirundi 5 ne galumya abantu abawerako. Abatuuze batubuulidde nga bwe basula ku bunkenke olw'amazike ng'ate tebafuna kuyambibwa n'okumu.
Bijja paka waka nibukutukwatira abaana emmere yaffe bannange tetulina kyakola. Gavumenti tusaba tuyambe.
Destroying our food and even now they are even killing our people. So far now we have buried 3 people.
Every corner you go, chimps. Mothers are going to fetch water, they have been chased away by chimps. Fetching firewood, the same story. This sharp corner, because we have also a few students who go to school the other side. Yeah, they also go to school in fear.
Abakulembeze bagamba beeraliikirivu olw'abatuuze baabwe.
We have registered several attacks, and as community of Nyantonzi who are residing near Budongo forests, it is really something which is big for us.
So we need what? We need NFA to sensitize people around here in Nyantonzi about these animals.
Kyokka obuzibu buteereddwa ku bantu abeesenza ku ttaka ly'ekibira ki Budongo Central Forest ebizike bino mwe birina okubeera.
Now what we are doing is to sensitize the communities, one, to stop encroaching on the habitat of these chimpanzees, because that's where they stay for sure. And ensuring that what you see, once we leave the chimpanzees in the forest, we will not have any issues. That's the only thing we can do for now. Ensure that we minimize on the conflict between human beings and chimpanzees.
So UA and NFA should come in and give what called the community conservation education. Because at least when people know, at least when you go to the forest, for example, if I am capable of telling the body language of a chimpanzee, I know how to conduct myself.
Mu kiseera kino bo abafunye obuvune baagala kuliyirirwa.
Can give us an audio.